Okay, traders, yesterday I posted this idea. Okay, have a look at this video. Where are we? We'll go up here. Trade ideas. By the way, just want to mention, if anybody contacts you with my name and image in Discord, trying to get friendly and then making offers, they're a scammer. You need to report them and block them. I will never reach out to you trying to make some kind of dialogue and leading into an offer. Watch out, there's scammers everywhere, so don't accept that. Anyway, I posted this one yesterday, the gold idea. So that was a really nice outcome. If you followed that video, what we were looking for was a pullback and then a break of structure and then buy on that break of structure. All right, and then there you go. So if you took that trade, I would be inclined to close 50% of that now and then move your stop loss up. So, you know, with these trade ideas that I'm posting every day, you can wing it or you can take the easy way out. I'm going to show you something really, really interesting. The easy way out, you can go down to this channel here. It's going to scroll up and show you some of these ones. If you have a look, I did a video on it's as easy as paint by numbers. If you want to grow an account or pass a prop firm account, and I'm going to come back to another gold trade idea in a minute, right? It doesn't get any easier than this. I'm looking for upside. Set a bullish momentum sink for a buy opportunity. It kicked in here. You buy on these buy signals. There it is. You've got the entry, you got your stop loss, and you got your target. It's all explained in my mentorship videos that I'm posting every day. So, you know, you can take the easy way out and follow this, guys. Whenever I post this, you'll see it. All you got to do is come in, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do now. I'm saying gold, I'm long. My bias is bullish. This is today's idea. See if we get a bit of a pullback, and then, you know, it breaks structure and we buy. Okay, same as yesterday. But here's the thing, look, you don't have to bother with it. I've sent you the idea, so I'm going to tell you two things. One is how to just copy the ideas that go in here. Like, we're already profitable. Let's just go. Look, yesterday I posted a gold idea. Okay, this was the idea I posted into VIP yesterday. Wait for this to turn green, take the next buy signal. There it is. Just take the buy signal, bang. Okay, you're in. Okay, my guys are in this trade. Now, all you need to do is just use one indicator. It's this one here. Set it up aggressively. I've done a video on that. You just go into the inputs, go down here to the bottom, go all. It's super aggressive. Go okay. And when I offer an idea like this, and I say, you know, we're here, and I say, okay, guys, wait for the next pullback, break of structure, and take it. Don't even bother with that. Just set a buy alert. All these alerts are going off. And then when the buy alert fires, just take the trade. That's all you have to do. Simple as that. All right. So if you were following the buy alert kicked off there. You're in that trade. And now your stop loss has been pulled up into here. And you're taking 50% off already and you're in the money. Right. I'm saying the same thing again. Wait for the next buy signal. Not up in here so much. And here's the thing with this. We've got the London Open. This has traded up through the Asian session. We're heading into the London Open. And I'm half expecting this to kind of pull back through the London session. So we could see the candles turn red and then turn around. And then the buy signals will start to kick in. All you have to do here now with this trade idea is come in here and set the alert. 3 dots, add alert, buy signal only. Okay, notification in the app. So you get it on your phone because, look, guys, and this is the second thing I want to share with you. You can just copy these ideas. They are incredibly successful. Okay, we're waiting for the next buy signal. See, what's going to happen? If that pulls back, there won't be a buy signal. When this turns around and starts to rotate in our direction, we'll get a buy signal. You just take that trade whenever it kicks in. Done. You're in. Stop loss, it's the same thing. You know, like you can use one indicator. There's your stop loss level, that green shaded zone, if you want. Okay, that's it. When it reaches 1R, okay, so what you can do then, if you want to just use one indicator, measure 1R and set that alert and call it TP, go, okay. Well, actually, you'd set this one. You'd go with that. at 1R. All right, go to the alert, message, TP, 1R if you like. Okay, close 50%. Settings, once per bar. Notification, make a loud horse. Okay, create. Right, there's your 1R TP already set up. Set this to 5R if you like, 3 or 4, doesn't matter. Go for broke, guys, because early in on the week, we want to build. Like if you get another entry here, you want to build on that, and then later on, you know, as this moves, we continue to build. Now, I will admit, I'm going to show you something else as well that's going to be really important. You could have been aggressive. Now, I held back yesterday. Look, it's early on in the new year. I'm just entering the market slowly but surely. But when you decide that you want to go for it, look at this. You know, when we have an idea and I say wait for the pullback and buy, you want to then take every one of these buy signals. Just go to town. We're following the green shaded zone with the stop loss. There you go. We got away with it. Look at that. Follow the green shaded zone with the stop loss. So you just go with these buy signals. All right. Now here's the thing. And at some stage at the end, one of them's going to get taken out. That's fine. And it could be these. Who knows, right? But you want to get in early on these buy signals when they kick in and follow that trend. And then at some stage, the last one will turn around on you and you might get stopped out. But you know, what you're going to do is you're going to move your stop loss, all of these back in here, you're going to move your stop loss to up in here. Like all of these now, you know, if you took them, you've taken 50% of every one and your stop loss is up in here and it is super profitable. And then if you enter a new trade, if this pulls back and you go in again, let's just say that's what happens, you know. I mean, see this last one here, that could get taken out if we get a, if we get a stop run into the London session. That could happen. And that last one could get taken out. But you've got all of these behind you. Now, my VIP guys have already got a profitable trade with a stop loss better than break even, 50% off the table. So they're already ahead. Anyway, this is how easy it is, guys. You just follow the instructions in here. When the buy signal clicks in, you take the trade. Now, this is where it gets interesting. It's what I wanted to talk to you about. Yeah, we had crypto going off as well. Bitcoin was looking good. Oh, we had a XAU. This was XRP. We had an XRP. This was a VIP trade yesterday. Okay, that was the entry point. I closed it at about here, but it kept going. 4R, nice. Okay, and that's going into Telegram VIP, crypto Telegram VIP. So this is what I want to show you, actually. We're going to go to, okay, here. You could control, with a prop firm, you could control a big account. Let's just come back here. You can use a Pepperstone C Trader account. This is just a demo account that I use on TradingView. And you can take my trade ideas that I post in here, trade them, use the indicators. But if you're going to use the indicators, follow this, guys, the mentorship. It's so important because that will show you what to do with the indicators. So I know a lot of people just jump on board and they just jump in blindly with the indicators. They don't know what they're doing with them. You really need structure with the indicators and the strategy. So anyway, just follow these signals. Trade a C Trader account, and this is it. Now we come back over here. People are reaching out to me. Oh, can I trade, I've got $200. Can I trade a $200 account? You'd be surprised how many people do that. And I'm going to say to you, 10% return on a $200 is $20. Why not invest? Have a look at this. $200, right? Okay. This is a $50,000 account. You can purchase a $50,000 prop firm account. This is focus funded with a 20% discount for $220, and you control $50,000. When you reach a 10% target on a $50,000 account, you earn $4,500. When you reach a 10% target on a $200 account, you make $20. Okay, so it's the size of the asset. So you can invest $200 to purchase that and earn that on a 10% gain. Now, the prop firm will charge, they keep it 10%, all right? They'll pay you receive, I think, 90%, depending, and maybe 80%, depending on the plan, right? I'm going to highly recommend you know, rather than trying to trade a $200 account, invest that into a prop firm account. Go over here to my website. Okay, focus, scroll down and look, click that link. Then you're going to get 20% off. Click that link, but you need to also use my partner code, AnthonyFX. That's the link. And make a difference, guys. Seriously, like, I mean, you know, the world, the economy, everything is going to SHIT at the moment. People are going to be losing jobs like crazy. You know, I mean, AI is taking over. Jobs are in jeopardy. And this is one way that you can trade along with AI algorithms, but with our strategy and make it work. So C-Trader account, you take the trades in Pepperstone C-Trader, and what you do is then you connect the prop firm account in a program called Traders Connect or Duplikium, Duplikium. The link is in the description, right? Use the C-Trader account as the master account and then connect your prop firm accounts, and then you could connect multiple prop firm accounts. You trade one account and then everything gets replicated across your prop firm accounts. So once you see that you're profitable with one prop account, add second, third, fourth, go to town with it. You have to make sure that the prop firm will accept that you copy from your personal account to a prop challenge or a prop account. Some of them don't let you do it. I've got a list of those who do. So just reach out to me and I'll give you the list. Focus funded. I'm trading a focus funded challenge at the moment. Why I like them? Because Alan, the customer manager, used to be the Pepperstone customer manager when I was using a live account through Pepperstone. He was my manager. And then he left Pepperstone and, you know, he's with these guys. And the thing I like about with Focus Funded is, Focus Funded, they are a subsidiary of Focus Markets, the broker, Australian owned, regulated by ASIC, and they are partnered with 8cap, all right, a very well respected Australian based Forex broker, 8cap. You've probably heard of them. This is the way to go, guys. Yep. So my thing with gold, look for the pullback through the London session. Possibly we get a little bit of a dip, see how it goes, and then take the next buy signal. Or if you're, you know, trying to do it manually, watch this trade down. It's the same story. Okay, if it trades down, then let it do its thing and break structure, and then, you know, move in on the structural shift. But it's just the easiest thing to do is just set the signal to go, and then when it says buy, just jump in and buy. All right, then there's a 7-day trial. Look, seriously, my guys are, and it's 7 days free just for the basic plan, and then $29.95 after it. They're covering their $29.95 first monthly fee in the first day of trading these signals down in here. So you'll either see this opportunity or you won't. And kudos to you, those of you who recognize this and run with it. Guys, I'll wrap it up. I'm bullish gold. I hope you have a fantastic day and see you in the next one.